Yo, what's up? Sup, guys? This is not financial advice. Everything here is for entertainment purposes only. If you seek financial advice, go find a certified financial advisor where you reside and do your due diligence on the guy. Make sure he knows what he's talking about. Yo, what's up, Mohammed? Nice. Appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, I wish Dave did more in-depth 5-second teachings, but hey, we're here to figure it out ourselves anyways. And cool, Shad. Yeah, I'll honestly, I'll be giving my analysis, giving some trades. Not like giving trades out, but like I'll just showing mine. I've kind of got a little bit different trade setup today, so we'll see how it goes. Have we had a fake flip? How many pullbacks? Five. We've had five. Five pullbacks. So potentially look for a reversal. There hasn't been a fake flip though, unless we wanna. No, there's been no fake flip. Protected low. Be here. But my change in setup is I'm not going to be trading off this little chart here because I've wanted to be trading like a full screen Renko. So on my other screen, I'm literally trading like a zoomed out Renko. I really like seeing this. I can see the SNDRs like so easily, the little taps. SNDR breaking SNDR taps. Broke higher here. Here's the SNDR tapping it right now. And I don't want to have the stream just be a full screen Renko, zoomed out Renko, so. Yeah, I wish I had more answers for people on TradingView with Renkos, but I don't I don't have TradingView. I'm not sure on the best settings for that, or I don't know. I don't know what other options you have. Like with NinjaTrader, I've got dozens, literally dozens of different types of Renkos to choose from. So it's kind of insane to me that TradingView you only have one. Like, I don't know, there's got to be a way for you to get a different Renko if need be. If you can't, I don't know. Like I heard the lowest setting would honestly, I feel like be not bad. Like a 1 ATR setting, because that's a lot of the time what I've found with signal bars and like entering is entering off in 1 ATR. I mean, my Renko reversal bars are a little bit higher. Actually, right now it's about same, right? So ATR 1 and my reversal bar. Wait, that's not a reversal bar, right? It's like 1.5, 1 to 1 points. So it's about similar to what 1 ATR is right now, at least. ATR is a bit slight, Well, ATR on the Renkos, actually, that's totally wrong. I meant to be looking at 5 second. Of course, ATR is going to be 1 on the Renkos. So right here, ATR on 5 seconds, about 2 points. So that's what I was trying to, not necessarily, I was trying to replicate the 5 second bars on the Renko, but that might, going by what the 5 second does. So I don't know. But yeah, got to be able to upload your own code. Um, that was a nice trade, but I was already talking about Renkos. I'm gapping. I need to focus up. That like pretty beautiful bounce off my zone. Renko have nothing to do with time. Time and Renkos don't exist. Well, it might exist, but not my Renkos at least. It's strictly time based. We could forever be in between these two Renko thresholds. What the heck? Like, if price never gets to this threshold or this threshold, no bar will be created. So it could literally, price could sit here for years and you won't get a single bar. But I mean, obviously we get more action than that. I'm just saying. Like for an example, this is just a higher bar size that I pay attention to a couple things. And this current bar to the previous one, it took, wait, what the heck? Time is not showing. From this one to this one, it took like only 7 seconds for it to form, and the next one was like a minute. But this, from this bar to this bar, look, we've had 10:07, 14. It's been like 13 minutes that price has just been ranging, and it hasn't touched one of these thresholds, so no bar is formed. Right? Every single bar is going to form a different length of time. 1 minute 18. The next bar was only 3 seconds. Another 3 seconds. This next bar to form took a few minutes. So it's not time based. Life Right's not bad so far. I honestly kind of just started trading. I didn't really do much earlier. I had drop in soccer last night. That's really late. I was up really late, and then I was so tired this morning. I like woke up and I literally was like falling asleep in my computer at the chart, so I kind of lied down for until like 9:30 or so. So I've really just kind of started my day. Well, that tap was real nice. Dang. Oh well. How about you? How's your Friday going so far, Void? Good to see you. Getting the close above here. Oh yeah, it's eating them up pretty good. Yeah, yeah. I don't know, on trend days, sometimes it can just go a lot more though. It's definitely kind of a trend day. Yeah, trending since tapping top SNDR now. that tap the hidden S&D from the 5-second pullback. Yeah, stuff like this, you don't really want to take any shorts unless you get a clean flip, a clean 1 minute protected low break. Can move this up here now. Valid pullback, valid break of structure. So either looking, ideally the continuations, same thing that happened right here. Order entry hotkeys. So if you see up here, it says easy trade. I found an indicators pack. I can't remember, what's the company called? Yeah, she's definitely, Nas is definitely track star today. Oh man, honestly, that top SNDR should trusted it, but a lot of time when the market's doing something, it likes to keep doing it. So I was thinking, oh, it just did a nice 50% rejection, so it's gonna do it again here. I don't want to get caught out here in a buy, but of course it just tapped the top SNDR, and that's it. That's all, folks. I didn't really see exactly what I wanted to see here. I would have had to buy up here, middle of this range. Not ideal. I don't know what the company is. What is it called, man? Why can't I find it? I should wait. Yo, what's up, Mox? What should I wait for? And You my Discord, Llewellyn? What's up, Mauricio? I found it. Masscapital.uk. So these guys, they've got the chart. This is the one I use. I hold Alt. I change the orders around, but it's also nice because they have this shift space. So you can, if you quickly see something you want to get a trade out, shift space, I can quickly click that and be out of a trade. I mean, you can, NinjaTrader can have that built in, but the chart trader, I mean, you get these other indicators too, but I don't even look at them. I don't use them. The account loss limit could be cool if you're uh, prone to over trading, especially. But yeah, mass capital. I'll put that in my Discord so you can have the link. Really don't know what kind of POIs we might have here. I need to go increase my. No. Dang it. When were we last? How long ago was that? It was like 2 years ago. Jesus. I mean, I guess there's nothing. 'Cause we're at all-time highs, duh. Wait, that's not it. Okay, there we go. Jeez. So we're at 17,350. 359, middle of this little unmitigated SNDR. 360. We're like a couple points to the 50% of that huge zone. Just keep climbing up. That's all she's doing, dang. Were you just watching? Like, the zone is this little unmitigated swing, right? It could be considered SNDR, right? This is that last swing up that broke this swing down. So SNDR, SNDR swing. Biggest unmitigated swing here too. And then I marked out this high. Let's mark it out. I'm a little off. No, and I just moved the zone. Let's do some snapping. Control B. Wait, Control H. Yeah, so that's that. You see it now? Go back to 12 minutes. That's 12 seconds. Yeah, you're probably on some CFD charts or something. CFD charts, it's not gonna, yeah, you're on CFD charts. You're on a fake chart. Some made up data feeds. Futures is centralized data, so it's technically kind of, I mean, it's not the real chart because one CFDs, one futures, but yeah, so I mean, it's interesting, the chart difference, that's for sure. What do we got here? We're getting about pullback. 5, 6, 7. No, 7. 7 pullbacks. Oh yeah, of course they work on it. So we closed below this low. That was our valid pullback. Closed below with this push, created this SNDR. Closed below it, tapped the SNDR from that valid pullback, and now it's pushing down. It's a 70 now. 70. It's not really. It's not a valid zone though, because it's not a valid pullback. Right. To draw a zone, a valid zone, the high and low have to be valid, and this high is only valid when you get a pullback. And there was no close below this candle. Highest closing bullish candle, right? This one closed above here. This candle did not close. This bullish candle didn't close above here, so therefore we're not using this low for the close below. So that this candle here, even though it closed below here, that's not a valid pullback. It's this candle that we're looking for. Tap that little 5-second origin swing down there with its respective SNDR. This tap here was nice, dang. Maybe after streams now, if there's any questions in the Discord chat, I could review them. That'd be decent. I'm gonna review some Stoic trades that he posted today. Just after 1, 4 p.m. Eastern. It's a 5-second zone. SNDR, it broke this little SNDR. Tap in this area. So far it's just tapping. A little fractal SNDR. Hmm. Hmm. Tapping that 50% now, you can see you're failing to close above it. Das, please. Can you please come back? Like you did right here. Oh. Honestly though, I'm more so wanting a flip here, not a continuation. Hmm. I don't know, as high as we went back in the 80s. Tapped the top and then just went yeet. Come on. Damn. I guess when we know it's so bullish, like, definitely take more aggressive longs. Like, man, gonna be longing so far up. Wow. Yeah. I don't know if this thing's gonna want to flip. Plus, we haven't had a fake flip, so it's probably gonna give us a first flake flip, and then by the time that happens, it's gonna be end of day by the time the second real flip happens. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. reaching this Feigenbaum projection, but I don't know, I feel like these are not as relevant on a trend day unless I find one. Let's see. Is there a clean one? Build that. Before the, like, okay. Holy. That thing is pushing. Dang. Man, trend days are kind of painful. Yo, Carlos, man, Carlos is like a really long time student of Dave. He's been learning from Dave for over a year now. We all must give our respect. How's it going, Carlos? How's your day today? I mean, today, honestly, like, people definitely should have done well today, but I guess some people get caught up. Some people really struggle with trend days, trying to always catch reversals. I mean, not even some people, most people. It's honestly what most traders are trying to do. Oh, yeah, riding some DAX. Nice, good stuff. Yeah, I wish I didn't get on late, but I got on 9:30 and there was one tap of valid structure so far. I mean, we tapped the top of this valid SNDR, but literally just tapped the top. So I've had two potential valid setups. I mean, earlier in the day there was a bunch. Ooh, look at that. Wick out back in SNDR. Oh man, the open's actually pretty nice today. Man, what is this chart? It's just getting, how is it getting steeper and steeper? Like, it's not even slowing down. It's in fact getting stronger. Like what? Yeah, dude, the past couple days, like what? Just straight up. Where did this, how far back did this? Yeah, it just returned to the, wow, man, you gotta be, you gotta be on it. You gotta be on it. Just keep continuing long, man. So I haven't done these really high continuations long. I'm really trying to just trade off valid 1 minute zone, valid structures from 1 minute zones, and that's this. This is the closest one we have, and it didn't bounce. We got the top SNDR, but actually didn't even tap the 30. Yeah, just gotta go with the flow. On a day like this, there's only it's only really one thing you should be doing, and it's buying. Unless it's the open. The open had some chop. some range. Could do whatever in. I literally just should have just bought that. You just buy right now. Where's my market buy button? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, when I've had that feeling in the past, when I'm like, oh my God, it's trending just going straight up, as soon as I feel that instinct, I click buy and it's worked out. I don't want to do that though, because it's not really any rule, but not gonna lie, it's no, it's not. No, no, just kidding. It's never worked. Don't do that. I like to have a Feigenbaum for this. Yeah, if you're rolling buys, man, if you caught that reversal down here, bang bang, got the tap, 180 points, 200 points. I mean, that's not even that insane amount of points. I mean, obviously it's a ton, but some straight trend days can be a heck of a lot more. Okay, do we have a valid pullback? Protected low here now. Valid pullback, valid break of structure. Right, we broke below highest closing bullish candle. Closed below the low. Valid break of structure. Makes that valid low. Dude, it's going straight up. See, I told you I should just bought. No. I need to get a bit better continuation rules sorted. Because, like, I mean, look at this. There's no structure. It's like, this is where you just got to trade off the 5 second. Because what we had here on the 5 second was a valid zone, right? This is a valid zone. Pretty much tapped the 50. Filled that S&DR. That's pretty nice on the 5 second. Maybe that should be my minimum for some trades. Yeah, Carlos, yeah, you're not you're you could say that again. I feel you. What the marked was smoking? What? Oh, what the market. I'm like, who marked? Who's marked? How far up is that high? What? I swore I had a line. What? What happened? Why is my data series on 5 days now? Weird. Was it this one? I mean, that's not even grammar. That's just a single spelling error. All good. All good. 328 points. Go back to this. What the heck? It's only like 200 points away now. Around. Tapping the unmitigated 70 and some unmitigated SNDR down here. Might be nice for a double top here. We shall see. Would be nice if we got a flip up here. Valid break of structure, come back, break the low for a flip, but it might. Maybe just a double top. And then we could potential short if it gives us a nice wick out back into a previous candle and this one. Just gonna give us our 50% S&D tap. Actually, could have worked out, but this short here. Did we break? I mean, it was reacting on 50% 5-second shift. 5-second flip down. That was broken with this SNDR. That definitely long down here, a little flip. Didn't get longs here. When we broke that high, tapped this SNDR. Potentially long there. It's just tough because that location right in the middle. Ideally, we would have got a nice flip down right in here. Tapping this high. It looks like we took that high. Oh wait, no, not take the high. Top of Feigenbaum. The high is still way up there. Way, way up there. Bitcoin yeeted light shorts. I just had to push up. This long down here definitely was nice. Took the low, the SNDR, and the low of this candle right before. Got that trade back in. It only took out a high of a wick, so it's not what I was really looking for. Took the high of the wick, tapped the SNDR, so a little bit more aggressive down there, but that entry would have been beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Staircase. I wonder how much this is going to go up. That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, that quick tap into there, tap. Closed. So this is that little SNDR for breaking the 5-second pullback high. Closed above it, tapped the SNDR. If I was entering off candlesticks, I'd enter off that one. Yeah. Wait, power 10M? The power 10 minutes, yeah. Honestly, if it's near high of day, If it's like near the high of the day, it's going to be a short. Usually if it's near high of day, it'll be a short, like a reversal short, especially if it's near high day, or it'll kind of be a continuation, usually, or just chop around. Wow. Yeah, this is a day you wanna. Damn, dude. Oh my god, sorry for the typing. I thought I muted so you didn't hear clickety clack, my bad. Just messaging someone. Does anyone know if there's like a way to get like sensitivity for my mic on my on OBS? Because with Discord, I've got it set up. They can't hear my typing, but I don't know. Oh yeah, we got a valid breakout, so the high is now here. Yeah, at the low, protected low. 1 minute protected low on the 5 second just got broken. You know, I'm gonna start track. I stopped tracking, but I'm gonna pushing 30 right now. Some keyboard ASMR. Yeah, it's just ASMR, guys. Honestly, I feel like it might eat all of these shorts. Tap this unmitigated SNDR and keep going down, or it'll just eat everything and just go keep continuing up. Yeah, it's definitely gonna just eat everything. Who are you to expect some bearish movement? Like what? Of course not. Honestly, if this closed below here, one of these bearish candles, would have been way better. Would have been a valid pullback on the 1 minute, but it's not even a valid pullback on 1 minute. That's something that you guys honestly should probably start off with for sure, as a rule, to make sure you're never going against at least that. Like you can have your flip. There could be like starting off with DTFX, I kind of faced like a little bit. I call it flipception, flip inception. So I was like, well, I see a flip, right? You get a flip. All right, let's do a bullish flip, or we'll do a bearish flip. You get a flip, on the 1 minute, right? So your flip happens, you get your break, and now the question is on the pullback, when you get in, what we see here on the 5 second or lower, right, is we want to see that flip on the lower and take the same. Now, what I kind of like call flipception is, well, you could just literally keep going with this over and over and over. So let me clean this up a bit. Like, what about, it's gonna get really messy if I keep going, but you just keep drilling into it in there, and then within this little one, and I'm like, bro, how small do we go? I was like, you know, the keep. So you got to determine, obviously, when you're at a point where the flips happened, and you don't need another flip to happen, because that's something that I've seen a couple people have questions about, because I wondered that too. But it's really just kind of trying the match of two time frames. So matching the two time frames, 1 minute 5 second, or you do 1 minute and 12 minute, right? You just kind of find your two that you use. Right at what 1 second, 1 second, and the 12 second. Oh my god, that would be interesting combo. Yeah, it's just continuing long. It's really continuing long. Oh my god, what the heck? Dude, some people are really banking. Jeez. Really banking. Of course. SNDR. Where's the break? Should just. Oh man. That's just nuts. These trend days. Don't give me a trend day right now. Too late. Honestly, it's like, being so extended like this, oh man, it's honestly tough because, we've had like one valid pullback. I mean, it's not a valid break structure. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pullbacks. So it's like when you've had that many, you could be, oh, it's too extended. I can't keep longing because, it's already done its cycle of going up. So it's less and less probability, but you're on a trend day. So trend days have a little bit different characteristics. Like a day. Oh my God, that's crazy. Man, I wish I had that trade down here when I started. That's what happens to me when I'm. Yeah, it's been holding. I mean, it's been on for a while. Yeah. Wow. Two leg. Take some lows. Yeah, it's definitely annoying when you have such high profits potential, but the validated structure that we have to trade off of there hasn't been much. No tap. Tapped SNDR, but ideally we go 50. Jeez. Dude, this thing's still gonna go higher, really. Any tap, any tap. Yeah, that's just so. Like we're at a 144 minute, 70%. Wick out back in. I'm telling myself, oh, I gotta look, all the longs are working, and then of course I'm gonna try longing now and it's gonna fail. Watch it not fail. My God. Wick out back in. Okay, shift. I honestly might try shorting. I don't know how. Everything just doesn't sound like a good call right now. Just sit on your hands. It's tough, but like I really just trust the current trend. Zones on the right. Oh, I know, Mitch. Trust me. It's all good though. I don't really, I'm not here to. I'm not focusing on the money right now. I'm focusing on the move, and that's not the move I'm trying to catch, so it's all good. I know I can do that if I want, but I'm really trying to get good at DTFX right now, and the money will follow. And I suggest you all have that mindset. I know I could have done that and made money today. I could have been trading, I've got multiple strategies that all can make money. Like I've seen a bunch of other stuff, but I'm not trading that right now. Like I 100% would have longed this with a different strat. Ah, man. I need to. It's tough because like I definitely see how what I know I can combine it with DTFX and be really good, but Dave's saying not to combine anything, and I'm just going with that right now because I do know like you can master DTFX and be completely good, literally only listening to Dave. Dave said he's gonna release an hour-long masterclass and then delete the playlist that he has right now. So don't know how true that is. Like, I mean, I obviously like not true. I meant to say I don't know like when that's gonna happen. I don't know how soon, not how true. Yeah, it seems like bait, dude. I don't know. I'm sus with that. I don't really, it's fine by me. I've already gone through all this content and a bunch, but I mean, he's done it twice now. He's done that post twice. He's literally like baited people twice and what do I know? Long worked out. Oh, this one was DTFX, but I didn't trust it because we just wicked out, wicked back in. It wasn't even a valid pullback though. The freaking 5 second protected low held. Like I think it's just because we were simply rejecting this 70% really strongly. like really clean. They closed on it, wicked out back in. 70% of a 144-minute really clean unmitigated level. Like, there's no shame in just chilling out there because of just how, there's definitely decent chance that could have worked, but obviously we would have had to break the lows and then pull back. Wasn't looking to actually short. It was just something that was kind of holding me off from longing into it. Yeah, I totally think he's baiting the lazy, but bro, he said that on his membership stream today, so I'm like, what? I don't know. I don't really. I'm not gonna think too hard into it. Gonna do me. Just keep back testing, keep doing what I'm doing. If he releases it, great. I'll watch it. If not, and if not, all good. But if he says he's, gonna remove the masterclass, and in the past he's said that you should download his videos, might be an idea for you guys to get a YouTube video downloader and download his masterclass. Larry, bro, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? Don't say that. Don't have that opinion. It's wrong. Doesn't really work. What? Coke, just search up Cocoa Cut or literally anything. There are literally hundreds of websites that do it where you just put the YouTube link URL in and it'll just download it. Like there's hundreds. Google. Then how does it not work on bullish days? What? I was on the stream for 4 minutes and I drew this drawing. I don't know if you were here, but I literally had this right here when we were here. I drew this and look what happened. Like literally I had it right exactly there. Like DTFX doesn't work. You know how good of an entry that would have been? On the Renko, the entry was there. It just wasn't perfectly clean. Right? We broke the high. Came in. It didn't happen to tap any SNDR here that I like, but we broke new highs. What do we know? New highs broken. New SNDR tap. Perfect entry. Zero drawdown for eternity. It just went pew, pew. So what was that entry? Right here. Right here. Be up 120 points. Potential. And this one here, I honestly was wanting to long this. The only reason was dang zone. Get rid of that zone. If I didn't have that zone drawn, oh well. But you said it doesn't work on this day. If you get one trade in a day and it works, then it works. You know what I mean? Like it's just the wording you did doesn't make sense. Don't make sense. Really? Half a point? Oh my god. You should have had your Fengenbaum drawn out, Carlos. Look. Guess what the Fengenbaum predicted? Huh! Oh, a rejection right at this level. Amazing. Look at that. Oh, we're still probably, that's probably not even going to be the high day. Still going up. Still going up. Did you go, Larry? We don't do that here. It's just, You can say it's good, but keep it to yourself. Just keep that to yourself. You know, I want people to be thinking that they should be doing that from you saying that. Like, I understand mixing concepts can be good. I understand mixing it with iced tea can be good. It's just not what we do. Not what we promote doing. Do it, but do it you. Just keep it to yourself. Yeah. Thanks. Maybe? You said maybe? I don't know, probably. Guess we flipped here. Tapped SNDR from the flip. Yeah, I just let you know. Also, if you on like Pepe's Discord and say that, like, just so you know, that's not what Dave will go off on you. Oh my God! And now we are just getting opposite eatings. Cool, cool. And no pullbacks here. 1 minute low is just so low. Dang. 30 and SNDR. Didn't give me the tap I liked. First reverse bar, second reverse bar in the zone would have been a good entry. First reverse bar, second reverse bar in the SNDR zone. Hmm. Man. Need to see what we got here. We didn't exactly close below it, but we did on the 5 second. And it's a 5 second protected low, so tapping the 30 now from that one. But the 50% of this zone. Yo, what's up? Probably shouldn't call you. I saw that you blurred out your Discord name, so I don't call you by that, I'm assuming. RZW is in the house. RZ, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, trendy day. A little bit frustrating sometimes on trend days. Doesn't help that I wasn't focused, lack of sleep and stuff. But what about right now? Am I really looking short? Trade out, trade back in. I want to see it clean. Oh, feeling shorting feels weird in this market. It's gonna do like what happened right here. Wick out, back in, pushed up. Wick out, back in. Well, Here we didn't break a protected low. Here we did, so it's different. Yeah, today get an early trail SL, some nut stuff. Well, I'm gonna go over the end of the day. I'll go over. Of course, it'll work now. God damn. There's a lot more going for this than that one. I'll tell you that. I was really debating shorting on that bar. We've got our flip, tap SNDR from the flip, wicked out back in SNDR, previous candle and far. I'm overthinking it with the day, with the trend day. Trend day's tripping me up a little bit. Tapping that SNDR down here now. Tap that. Were you trading like forward testing today, RZ, or were you just doing back testing stuff? Post your Twitter post here. I think you're allowed to send the link. Getting that weak high. Yeah, do it. Show people what kind of you can do to help see progress and whatnot. I don't know if people use NinjaTrader, but RZ's been back testing and putting in the work, and you can clearly see it on his graph showing P&L through different days. Yo, let's go, Lance. Fire me up. Yeah, Void. Well, I will see you. I'll see you next week, buddy. See you next week. You have a good one. Were you backtesting the start of 2023? What days were those? Oh yeah, man. Break the high. Tap into S&DR to continue higher. What the heck is this? Guess we're just getting some manipulation due to being near all-time highs at CFDs and whatnot. Some people taking profits. Some big guys. And look what the big players do right before they manipulated it up, took out all these shorts. Jesus. Jesus. Let's see what we do near these lows. That happened pretty dang quick. The easiest to enter off that. That's funny. I mean, the flip is still way down here, technically. Dave went short. Hmm. Tap in some SNDR for wicking. Wicking blow taking the lows. Closed on the 5 second. Second SNDR. Dave went short. That's why we're. Oh boy. Well, seeing where we're going. Back down here. Back down. Kind of got that first flip, made a new high, so a new flip. Where'd we tap? Tap the 30, lined up with the 50, that SNDR right quite nicely. Broken, tapping 30 into SNDR for that break. But wicked out back in. Nice delivery there. Coming off that unmitigated zone. But that ping pong, man. Oh my god. If I was getting refined entries, I'd be going crazy. Got this low here. Take it right back in. Now, first valid 1 minute swing zone. Will it reach it? Wow. Maybe double top here. First tap scalp, double top. Continuation zone, but don't know if we will get that. Could be the same, could be right here. First tap scalp. This is more the origin flip. Would you look at that? It's gonna do. Take the high, the SNDR, tap the 50. But it's, it's pushing pretty hard into here, so definitely would like to see it trade back within the previous candle high. Look at that. Broke that low. Quick tap of 30. Man, the quick taps at 30 are really definitely something. And we closed above it, so let's see what this next candle's doing. Traded above. By 1 tick. Take out the low. Tap the SNDR. Bro. I don't know if I'm going to use that. That was quite odd. Come on. Alright. I took the sell. First trade of the day. God damn, it took a while. Yo, hit my TP. I'm good with that. I don't want my trailing stop loss. Trailing drawdown really go. I mean, I could have trailed that one, maybe put that at this high. Probably should have done that. But I saw a flip after tapping this SNDR right here. And then I waited for the pullback like what Dave says. Right, we don't need to... Good stuff, bro. I mean, I said I'm waiting for a tap of SNDR, tap the SNDR. I didn't draw it out because I was, this new setup's kind of messing with me because I'm like, I'm still staring at this and I'm like, wait, I'm trading on my chart to my left and I'm not like ready with it at all. So I'm like, I'm not going to draw the SNDR on here, honestly. Now that you guys kind of know what I'm looking for, I gotta focus on my own trades. Not bad though. How much was that overall? 4 micros. Bump, bump. $75 so far. Man, I messed up yesterday. I took a 2 contract trade on NQ instead of MNQ. And it lost 2 points. It's a bit sad. But oh well, at least it was only 2 points. Mom, nice, bro. Oh, let's go. I was like, thank God this wicked above, like, gave us something. Just give me something. And it did. Man, I should have left my target. Oh my God. My actual target was the top of this little S&D right here. So I had the target here, but it didn't fill it. It tapped it, but didn't fill it. And I'm like, bro. So that's why I moved it here. I'm like, you're giving me that points. But I could have held it and it tapped it. It would have filled me with that wick through. So the future, sometimes you need a tick through, one tick through your actual take profit level. This tap 30, it didn't, I mean, didn't tap the SNDR, so I didn't get in. But I was potentially going to get in along here. Saw it take the low, tap this SNDR. Cause that ping pong, you really, oh man, I can't wait till I can just sell down, buy up, sell, like get really precise at catching the swings. Cause like honestly, I easily see we could have bought down here, there buys, taps in here, bring it up to this liquidity. We see manipulation up. You get a sell back down to here. Literally see some get out down there, manipulation up. Oh, look, taps this, so sell back down. And then you see manipulation back up here, come back up. Oh, 50%, the wick out back in, close position, reverse back down here. Taps, like I literally see we could catch every freaking swing, like it's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. That's what I ideally want to do, just be able to just almost reverse position. You know exactly where it's going and like, cause all the, it's, I've always thought that, like, that's how I want to trade. Have never found a strategy that can do anything as close to it as this. It's pretty good. All right, lick this high, trading back in. That's interesting. It didn't break it on them. I should have took that trade. Damn. I really like that one too. On the NQ, it took the low. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Yeah, it didn't. Ah, that's why. Would have really liked it, but it literally didn't take the low over here, unfortunately. I was ready with my other chart, but it didn't do it. Sad. That would have been a banger. Yo, what's going on? The Bulls are fighting the Bears, man. Pretty good. That's nice. That's nice. But I think this is gonna. I've seen this pattern so much. You double top here, lower, but it turns into a double bottom. So this is like a second attempt reject to this level, failed. So honestly, but look at the zone we're in on the 5 second, about a 50% right now. I don't even really. Unmitigating that tiny flip origin on the Renko, tap the 50%. On the micros, it did. Breaking. Give me a reversal bar up. What's the Renko doing? Already had the entry on that. Man. Didn't take it. First tap scalp, double top. It's gone too far without the tap up here into the S&DR. Dang. Would have liked like this close, quick tap, and then back down. Didn't do it. Yo. We are in an idiot box. Don't get caught in the idiot box. Good afternoon, sir. How do you do? Who's that? Hello, Mr. Lion. Hey, no problem, brother. I ain't anywhere near where I want to be yet. Got a lot of growth to do, and you'll see it all. You'll see it all. We here. Bah, 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 bah. I mean, unmitigated 70 of this zone. Not exactly a valid zone though, but valid 5 second. Little do you know what else I'm looking. First, why don't you take first tap long and took short? Oh, that's a good question. Just, I actually explained why right after I took it. Did you hear that bit when I was saying a bit about why I wasn't executing? I don't know. I can't even remember. I was just tapping S&DR. Oh, okay. Wait, do you even know the trade I took then? Do you know that I've taken one trade? Do you know which? It's funny too. I was a short. Oh, it's so funny. Yeah, it was how long ago was it? Like 12 and a half minutes ago is when I took the entry. Maybe go a little bit before so you can hear what I said leading up into it. It was just this little guy right here. This little flip. Flippity flip. Oh, I'm so glad so glad. Man, if this broke lows here, that could have been a nice short here. Break the lows. It's basically S and DR for a 5-minute pullback. Interesting. This zone, basically S and DR for like a 5-minute pullback. Yeah, I know. Like, why can't you tap the last verified zone? We got this tap, left, didn't tap this one, didn't tap. Well, it was a couple ticks away, but it was so quick it didn't really give you the best entry chance. Didn't tap. So I'm totally fine with that one trade I have so far in this time. Obviously, there's a lot more I could have taken, but coulda, woulda, you know, doesn't really matter. What matters is that I got the move that I wanted. Hey, I got my kick. Did you guys get your one kick? I don't know. What do we want? Wicking out, back in. We didn't really break the lows that I like, but we tapped S and DR. Ah, doesn't mean my rules. It means aggressive, more aggressive, but that's one of the things I'm pondering. When you have a long wick like this, that was literally one tick away from being a reversal bar, that aligns with my rule of I don't, perfect isn't optimal. But then I see times where it'll fail, like here. Will it fail? Will this trade fail? Let's find out. SL or TP? Which one? Which one? It's top of range, but it didn't even break anything, any lows on the 5 second except for a valid pullback low, but that's not great. Minimum would be this SNDR low would be nice. We would have like an SNDR flip. 5 second SNDR flip. Honestly, you guys, those 5 second Renko SNDR flips, they're really, really something that are the most important thing that I've learned from Dave. Well, not five, like just that in general, the concept of the SNDR flip. So that's kind of something else that's pretty good. Keep in mind, but we can't, I mean, in a way you could say this was the SNDR. This wick down for breaking the high. Broke it, flipped it. This was the SNDR for the valid pullback and breaking that SNDR tapped. So I see the argument that that was a valid trade. But that bullish candle was real bullish. That there was no unmitigated level also. Like we're just kind of trading. That was like a range rule trade. A lot of the time, like we didn't really see when it's pushing like that. Also got to consider first flip could be fake. Guess we did actually have that lower. I mean, there's a reason I my worked out pretty nicely there. Never broke. So yeah, I'm sticking with this. Even though I see trades that can work with just using the wick as a break on Renko, it's not what I need to do right now. Just be more bit more safe. Plenty of trades that are super clean. Like there's so many trades that are really clean. Like we don't need to be trying to catch every little 5 second swing. Like sure we want to, and I would like to be able there to get there. I'm just not that guy right now. Man, I can't wait to be able to be doing that, and especially on live too. I don't know anyone who does that. Who does this? 12 minute just closed new bullish candle. So if we break below here, we'll have a 12-minute pullback. This is something that I kind of want to keep an eye on a bit more as well that I haven't been ever paying attention to. But just looking at valid pullbacks on like all time frames, it's just another thing to help you tip the scales in your favor of when the edge of the bulls or the bears is in your favor, making the scales on our side. Ooh. Is there anything on the 5 minute here? Interesting. So manipulation of this high potential, but oh man, she's just looking for longs. Guess this right here. Oh, that was a quick short. Oh, that was too quick for me. What the hell? That spurted. I was about to take a trade and it just went yeet. Took the high, tap, took the low, tap SNDR. Sheesh. Sheesh, man. Ooh, interesting. I just saw this in a Discord. Making 2.0 of a June 12th video. Interesting, interesting. I really like that. Nice two leg. Pull back tap. SNDR. Wicked out, back in. Clean zero drawdown trade to opposing SNDR. Look at that. I haven't really heard this from Dave, but I'm, using the logic of taking liquidity right here. We took this low, using that as a thing to help with continuation trades. Take the low. Bop. Potentially in a short up there, but I'm getting conflicting information. It took the low on the NQ here, on the Renko, but it didn't take it on my MNQ or Renko. Right here, it didn't take the low. But now we've getting the tap. Potentially no tap. Nah, it did the reaction. Hit a new high. Yeah, definitely, I guess not. Definitely not. Thought it was gonna keep going up. If it was. But it just reversed right at the top. Pretty nice, actually. Wick the top of SNDR. Trade back in with the Aranco. That's really nice, actually. Six points to the low in no time. Zero drawdown. That's why I use the Arancos. Dang, son. Why did I call that trade? Oh my god. Keep doing what I see, not what I think. Do what you see, not what you think. Do what you see. Yo, the boss. I haven't had the YouTube chat up. Sorry guys. Uh if you're still here, Mauricio, peace out. Yeah, you can, Mohammed. Just know that it's better to wait for like a little bit, a pullback according to. So if you have your 1 minute pullback right here, pretend this wick is in here because it's messing everything up, but technically the 1 minute pullback would be there. But say this wick was just a literally couple points lower, then this would have been our valid pullback low on the 1 minute. So we broke it, the 1 minute, and then here's our 1 minute hidden S&D pullback, hidden S&DR pullback. I mean, and we haven't got a tap there, but if you see on the when this came down, did it close down here? No, it closed down here. Yeah, it hasn't tapped. But like, if you see that low marked out, right? This low right here is when this candle pushed up on the 1 minute. So this is that low on the 1 minute. We broke it, right? We broke it. And if you're looking at price live, this candle would have been pushing down. It just so happened to retrace up, tap, and then go down. So within this candlestick structure, it did break the low, tap into SNTR and go down. But you can't see that unless you were watching it live or you're looking at the 5 second. So you could draw it out and then see that it closed on the 5 second and get that quick tap. That's kind of how you'd want to use that. But just know that is a bit more aggressive than waiting for that, right? Because now we've got the tap potentially coming, but we can kind of see that on the 5 seconds it's already mitigated. So it's going to have less strength now, especially since now it's came off the extreme of this other thing. So the narrative now is against this because we reached the draw. Like when price was here and it broke that makes this failed close above, weak low, so the draw is down here. Well, we completed the draw. We took the low. And so, that makes the draw more so higher here. Of course, double top, it could run more lows, but this draw is completed. Just makes this less strong than if, we got that quick tap, close, quick tap. We haven't got the quick tap. We always want to see a quick tap with every zone, ideally. Quick tap 30 and 50 and shoo. Yeah, I did learn it from Dave's YouTube. Well, AFOP's Discord as well. I'm not gonna lie, I've got to give him credit too. But AFOP learned it all from Dave. So yes, everything is stemmed from Dave's Mast YouTube. Well, pretty much. I have a few exclusive videos, but not as premium. I don't have premium. Let's go, Mohammed. That's what's up. Yeah, I was thinking of doing a valid pullback video, but I've been holding off because I've still been learning them, right? So I'm like, dude, I don't know if I want to make a video and then I'll learn something the next week and want to include it. I mean, I honestly could just do it and then make like a part 2 video if that happens. Honestly, should just do that. But like, because I kind of wanted to make short videos, like 5-minute videos explaining a single concept. What do you guys think of that idea? Just so some people, like if they're confused with any single concept, then I'll have a video for that or something. I don't know. Yo, what's up, low key? How's it going? How's it going? Ryan, yeah, it's free. Go. Honestly, I should put it in my description. I need to keep including Dave's YouTube in my description. This is his Twitter handle. Just go to his Twitter. Honestly, I should put it in my Discord too, because I recommend everyone to go in that guy's Twitter, join his Discord, and read through the entire general messages section. All of it. And take notes, take screenshots. I have a whole section of notes called AFOP's notes, just screenshots of his advice that he'd give to people and things he would say. He's got multiple market reviews. Other than Dave, he makes the best DTFX content out there. I mean, no, I mean Stoic, obviously videos, but for Discord content, I guess. But I'll put the link in my Discord eventually. So, I mean, that tap to that 1 minute SNDR, we tapped in it, wicked above previous candle. I don't know why I've been not focused, but broke the low on the Renko, a decent one. Even up here, I mean, there's micro ones you could have got in right up there or waiting for this tap, done that one. They all get 5 points, at least. Definitely should have taken that trade. See, that's like you can expect maybe these failures to give you a high broken up here, but we did kind of create a second double bottom, and it did run the high from that one. So there is some liquidity narrative that we took out. Plus, wicked above SNDR and back in, and I say I really like that. Same thing like right here, right? Wick out, right back in SNDR. Same thing that happened here, just on a different fractal nature, right? Look how beautiful that is. It's just beautiful over and over and over and over again. Yeah, read through everything, not just the general chat. But that's gonna take you longer than, or is it the trading DTF? No, I think it's the trading DTFX chat, I mean. Well, all of them. All of them, you gotta put the work in. You wanna do something that can make you literally $1 million a day? I think you can spend a few hours reading. Put the work in, guys. This is, man, if I have been studying this for 3 years, be way further ahead than if I've been studying all that other stuff. Valid pullback, maybe on the 1 minute. Where's our protected low? Trail this up to here. Now is our 1 minute protected low. Right from here, we got a valid break of structure, valid pullback, valid break of structure. Right now we're in we just flipped, actually, technically for the first time. Tapping 30 right now. I'm not the biggest fan of that, to short that. That's too low on the 1 minute to short. You don't want to short bottom range, even though I could see that. Could see that working, but especially since it didn't close below here on the 1 minute, that would have been nicer. But sometimes aggressive wins out nicely. Look at that. I mean, it wasn't like, if we're talking about 5-second range, that was almost 50%, right at slightly above. At least it wicked into, so definitely a trade that could have been 3 to 5 points, but wasn't as clean. And especially, honestly, what you could do also is go through AFOP's pinned messages first, and then really go reread through everything. I think that would be pretty good. You should always save all of those pinned messages in all of the channels that AFOP has, because it's really good stuff he tells. Really, really, really good. Right, this is an ICT trader full time for like a few years, making really, really good money with ICT trading, and he learned Dave's stuff for fun, found out how insanely good it was, and completely switched over to ICT only. Go read his post on Twitter. I'm talking about NQ God. You can see I posted in the chat his Twitter. Yeah, with Dave, oh man, I wish I found him sooner, but oh well. I wish I fully dived into his stuff sooner as well, but he's what it is. I am now. We're here now, boys and girls, if you may be here. A year and a half ago? Sheesh. Yeah, I found Dave in July. I mean, at least I watched up to video 5 for that month, and then it took me a couple months to start watching the videos again. Yeah. Oh, wow, there's nothing wrong. Dude, it's hard because it's the same thing with, oh man, I've learned so many strategies, so for me to go and learn another strategy after I was liking what I was doing, it was definitely tough, but I mean, see, C Pope would send me screenshots. I'm like, bro, all right, maybe I do gotta look into it. And then I saw the Twitter post of him scalping the 5-second, which I didn't know. It's like, all right, bet. Right, yeah, his YouTube streams were. It's like the masterclass is the YouTube stream, so. Let's go, Ryan. That's what I like to hear. Yeah. Twat queen. Crush through that. Break this low. Nope. Guess we're reacting on the 50 of this area. Probably should have drew that out. Dang. Oh, not quite. Not quite. But it took this low, traded back in. I should have seen that. That kind of could be SNDR. Last down close candle breaking that high. Wick out back in SNDR. We get pretty much what we want to see in the Renko. At least if you're not SNDR tap here, break new high, tapped SNDR. Down there you get in. Potentially not financial advice, just kidding. It's entertainment. Yeah. Hey, we're getting that tap of this SNDR down here. Because I followed the SNDR flow. Remember, I had this bearish SNDR, but we just destroyed it. And so what did we do? We got that SNDR that broke this SNDR, followed the SNDR flow. SNDR flip, tap. Nice. I know, Ryan, yeah. Yeah, it honestly, it is good. Like, I know Dave, they say there's zero reason to see other people's live executions, and I definitely understand that. And, like, obviously, I didn't even show mine live, but it's maybe showing it after the fact, right after, you know, because I would be seeing Stoic screenshots of trades that I took, so it's the same thing, same thing. Good for what Stoic's doing, but seeing it live, it's just different because it's live. That's all it is. Live after the fact, but I don't know. We get better every day. Get better every day. That's the main thing to worry about. Yeah, awesome, man. Well, you have a good rest of your day, man. Hope you have a good weekend as well. It's good. Good that you're seeing it. Let's get it. Same thing over and over and over. Won't stop. We all we all got it. There's 3 likes? Well, goddamn. Only got some 3 likes. Sad. Man, I'm gonna quit streaming. I can't take the lack of likes. Yeah, no, it's definitely wrong. 13. 16. Yo. Thanks, guys. I gotta put the work in. I hurt my heel at soccer last night, so I don't know if I'll be snowboarding this weekend. So I got a whole extra bunch of hours on a Saturday for back testing. Let's go. Yeah, and I not quite, but kinda got a bit of, you know, a little bit of a stamp of approval from Dave yesterday saying I have a strong analysis, so that's good because I don't want to lead people wrong. That's definitely not what I want to do. Yeah. I mean, I've literally never asked for it, but honestly, I probably should. Just be like, yo, guys, if you forgot, click like. But I don't know. I'm not, literally, that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to get likes. I start streaming because it actually helps me trade. And I like helping people. Honestly, that's definitely a big thing. I've been helping people every trading strategy I've done. I got multiple discords that I made a bunch of PDFs for other strategies I was part of to help people, and did a bunch of crypto education live streams actually when I was in IM Academy, just because I was, wanting to help people out with their crypto stuff. Help them understand a bit at least so they don't lose a bunch of money, because definitely could happen. Taking lows on the 1 minute, but it's kind of an idiot box range. It's kind of it's kind of tough because there's not really much valid structure, a little bit mixed delivery. All right, pushing off this S&DR zone. Wait, what was that 12-minute one again? It's pretty chop. Yeah, I'm glad to hear it. I know there's no one streaming DTFX, and a previous strategy that I followed, Pat's. There's a ton of Pat's streamers, and Pat's trading is so dead compared to DTFX. It's not even close. It's crazy. They'll take one trade in a week. It's like, oh yeah, we got our. I love all those guys. I definitely love the guys. Everyone a part of it. It's a great community. There's zero hate on the guys who teach it, what I love. No drama. But God, it's so slow. It's so slow. I want to see. Honestly, I kind of want to do it for fun because we're in a weird PA right now. Let's see, what trade would they have taken today? They trade the 2000 tick chart. We need a schlep on a 21 EMA. Maybe a short here. No, it's not a good bar. I don't even want to look at that, to be honest. So we have two unmitigated 70 levels. This one and this one. Trading out this high, maybe back in. I don't even want to look at that ES stuff. Yeah, once you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, well, sucks for you. Got all those guys who yeah, anyways. I don't ever want to talk about stuff that's not strictly just trading advice and helping people. Yeah, cool. Honestly, there might be a different one I might recommend because I literally only meant to take a 2 contract trade, but it like put the order in twice and it kept like bugging out. And I had that issue in back testing, and I'm like, yo, if this keeps up, I can't use this software. And then I've been trading all this week, didn't happen once to me, and then today it happened my first trade. I'm like, what the heck? So, yeah, I don't know. I switched because the one I was using before lags my chart. It's a paid tool though, so but I have a different one. I'll find it later. I found two that are free, or maybe three. There was a different script I found on NinjaTrader, but I couldn't find it when I looked the other day. I saw it though. Yeah, I put it in the resources section of my Discord, so you can go download it and test it out, but just definitely test it out on some back testing and maybe some demo before you actually use it for live funds. 'Cause that it could I definitely could have been bad what that does. You don't want something like that to glitch out on you. Let's go, Jas. Easy money. It's the hardest easy money you'll ever make, but it didn't really take a high. It's a bit unfortunate. Tap, I guess it took the high of this 5-second S&D. Oh man, should have been looking at that. Beautiful. It's actually beautiful. Yeah, like when I do it now, it doesn't, I don't know. Sometimes if you like hold it too long, I just, hmm, yeah, I'm not totally sure why it happens. Maybe I'll email their support, see what they have to say. Yeah, see you, Llewellyn. Have a good rest of your weekend as well. Thanks for being here. Oh, 5 seconds. Oh, why don't I have any music on it? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, no more. No more. Oh, we're at 21 likes now. Dang. That last video I made definitely got the most views of any of my videos like quicker, so I gotta keep posting videos, and I feel like if I if I really grind and post videos, I could definitely grow pretty quick. But I'm focusing on my trading, on my channel. Channel will come with time. I don't care how fast it grows at all. It's just tough because I've been learning business and marketing for many years. I'm definitely not charging for anything until I show a track record, that's for sure. I don't even when I charge for something, I ain't gonna do no course, nothing. I'll do like potentially one-on-one only. I don't know. Really wanna help people that are serious. Let's go for this high. Come on. Failed to close below. Go for the weak high. Take out these equal highs. What? Oh my God. No way. Oh God, I feel so bad for this guy. Oh my God. I just saw this. Just wanted to show this just because it could be a good lesson for you guys and me. I think I'm gonna do this. So, this is some guy I used to follow with that Pat's trading system that I talked about before. Basically, he's been doing really well lately. He's had his Apex accounts for like 2 months and he's grown them up to where they're at like just over 3K or more than that. So he's eligible for a withdrawal on like 20 PA accounts of over 2K. And so it sucks. So he said he was down, he was only down a little bit of money and then he wrapped up the day, closed it, but he had an order left somewhere randomly on his chart. So like if I go like this and I place an order and then like say I'm trading like this and I don't even see that chart that order's there, right? I could be like, okay, I've been trading here, sitting here for whatever, for a while, and then I just close my Ninja Trader, done for the day. But the order's still there, so it hits you, buy, keeps shooting down, right? So that could be really bad. So one thing is good, make sure if you have your chart trader up or you do something, you can right click, cancel all orders, or in your panel, there's a thing where you can do that. Oh man, dude, I feel so bad. Honestly, my gut wrenches for this guy because I know the journey he's been through. Go on his YouTube and look at the couple of videos he's done recently. He's been through it, dude. He's been through hundreds and hundreds of evals. Literally, like, this was his third set of 20 PA accounts. Oh my God, dude, I feel so bad for him. Okay, so It would have been different if he had his daily loss limit enabled in Rhythmic. So you can set a daily loss like thing in Rhythmic, and also that tool that I showed. Like there's a few ways to do it. So you can do it in NinjaTrader too. They have one built into NinjaTrader. I think maybe that's the one he's talking about. But I don't. There's ways to get due to decisions. He removed it and forgot to re-enable it. Oh no. Wow. Yeah, he had almost 40K. Wow. Purchase new evals come Monday. I'll dive. Well, at least it happened with a day left into the sale, or a bit. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, this guy's story is definitely crazy. You gotta persevere in this game, man. This is not for the light-hearted guys. If you guys can't take that, oh my god. I don't even care about any. I paid for that guy's live streams once because he just paid live streams and he just shows him trading and he'll like annotate the charts. He won't talk, but you know. Oh my god. Yeah, that hurts. I'm definitely setting up a loss limit now after reading that. I definitely am doing that. I don't know why I don't have it. I don't have it because I am the complete opposite of an overtrader. There's no way I even come close to my daily loss limit, even if I like I say my daily loss limit is $300. Have I ever lost $300 in my P account? No, not even close. So I haven't set it up, but because of things like that potentially happening, yeah, I'm definitely gonna set it up now. Yeah, it is commendable. I, he's he's transparent. Oh my God, we got exactly what I was talking about. Okay, let's get a tap. Still potential. Still potential. Let's kind of get this SNDR. Oh yeah, he's gonna make like a lot of money. I mean, he made that in 2 months, right? He made that in 2 months, so. God, it just sucks because literally his last set of PA accounts of 20 lost because of a technical issue with Rhythmic where his orders froze and he couldn't close out of them and blew his PA accounts due to literal technical glitch. And then Apex didn't reinstate them. It's pretty like he's been through the ringer. Wow. And we swept those equal highs, traded back in, broke the Ranko low, but that wick entry would have been the best one here. It's like an SNDR flip, right? This is the SNDR breaking that. I mean, it's not like I can't really see it, but no pullback. Oh no, he's got his mental in order. Yeah, no. He used to not have mental, hence why he used to not post that stuff when it happened. It would take him a bit when he would, he'd have to bring up some courage to post that. But now he posted that and that literally just happened. That probably literally just happened a couple hours ago. He just made that video. Yeah, let's go. Couple seconds to go before yeeting, guys. If you're in a position, get out now or hope it's gonna go in your direction. I don't even know. It's not near high a day. If it was like right here, that'd be great. A manipulation of this high would be really nice, but it's gonna take too much of a burst to get there. Maybe not. Getting broken. Didn't break the high on NQ. MNQ. Yeah. Gotta change the name of this so people don't think the yeet's already there. Get all range. Maybe take this low. Trade back in. Be a crazy range. Came near these highs, traded away. Now we break. Failed to close, weak high. I mean, everything's weak. Weak high, weak low. Yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day. I don't wanna mess around with non-validated structure. Let's make our money with validated structure, guys. Playing ranges are definitely, I don't know about range playing. We should only trade off unmitigated valid structure levels. That's it's difficult when you see a lot of trades working that are like this. Like, what do we got? Flip, first tap to SNDR scalp, double top. Nice. Get a little rave pattern going. Yeah, see you, Carlos. Have a great evening, day, and weekend. Peace out, man. Good to see you here. Not that big of a eating today. Might be a little burst. Oh my god, look at what I was saying. I was feeling it. I'm like, bro, there's got to be a quote coming up. That's actually kind of funny how it literally came right away. Dude, I gotta build up a drop into the eating tomorrow or next week. That'd be so good. I gotta find some non-copyright music, potentially. I don't know. I don't know what you guys think of no music streams, because I do it because it's like you guys can just listen to your own music, right? Listen to your own things. What do we got? What do we got? Tap and SNDR from this break. %30 of that SNDR, but we're gonna get a tap maybe. Marenko. Double bottom failed to break new high. Don't like that. It's got a draw, more bearish draw on the 1 minute. Failed to break above this high, makes the lows weak. So a break of this would be really nice to trade back up. Take it back in, fulfill a double top narrative at least a little bit. Let's get a little scalp maybe back into the area. Hmm. Right here. Broke lows, first tap scalp, double top. You can't even see this low on the 5-second. Another reason why I like Renko's. Just keeps it all uniform on the swings. The swings that you see on 5-second, they're all at the mercy of what happens within 5 seconds. A time period? Who cares about time? Hmm. That's a pretty mad trend line. Hmm. It's tempting to short, but we kind of got, ideally, yep. We already had the trade near a higher time frame high and move away, and then we break it. So even though I saw a trade out back in, Renko flip, actually wasn't on the NQ, but we got it on the MNQ. didn't want to short that because the narrative was still bullish. I failed to close below here, draw higher. I mean, although, yeah, sure, we fulfilled it, that wick out back in, but it's stronger that we do it a previous like candle right before, like right here. This wicked the previous candle. This one only wicked a candle like to the left. Maybe tap this S&DR then. Pretty much. All right, who asked me to do the stoic stuff? No quick tap. Unfortunate. James, I bitch. Still some movement because we're pushing. Dang. Kind of wasn't paying attention for the second eating. Didn't really want to give back any profits for the day. Chilling with my win. It's a pretty nice trade. You don't need to trade a million times. I'll slowly get there. Maybe not slowly, but get there. Yay. I gotta start trading my continuation strategy. It's pretty nuts. I gotta back test it. I gotta back test it with how I do DTFX. Oh yeah? Yeah, I guess that could be a bit interesting with the accent difference and whatnot, so cool, man. Yeah, glad that helped. Thanks for the comment, bro. I appreciate it. Oh, this is potential. I kind of want to just. Uh, yeah. Dang. That's perfect. That's so nice. Over and over and over. This trade right for the eat the second was nice. Eat the second lined up. Took the low of the previous candle in the 1 minute. On the Renko we had our SNDR flip. Wait, what am I drawing? Oh, it's different on the MNQ. It's kind of flip tap that SNDR. This was a reverse bar on MNQ, not NQ. Tap. All right, I'm gonna dip out, guys. It's good to be here with all of you, and we'll have a good weekend and testing session. Have a good Friday. Prepare for the weekend. Studying to come shall commence. All right, see you guys. Have a good one. Yeah, thanks, Igor. You too, man. Thank you. See you, everyone.